Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I will going to do another Boy to Girl makeup transformation. It is a soft holiday drag queen makeup, which is Christmas color like that, green, blue, gold like that. Yeah. So if you are new here to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts below. Instagram at Teresa Garden, Facebook Teresa Garden. And welcome to another everyday and every other day vlog. Sure. So without further ado, let's jump out to the video. And for our foundation, I will be using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation that I got only for $349, and buy one take one time. I will be posting the review. Yeah. So here we go again in voice over. Sure, just blend lang the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Warm Nude. Sure. Then blending the foundation. After that, we will be applying, and I'm gonna apply this Everblend liquid concealer. Yeah. Here, 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 and yeah, it's just for blending. Likewise, just blend it properly, thoroughly, like that. Sure. Powder to mattify this outer piece. I will be using two press powder, I think, from Havana and from Maybelline New York. And on the inner corner, or the for my T-zone, I will be using this Fit Me, and for the other part of my face, I will be using this Everblend in the shade Tan, while this is in the shade Prime Nude. So yeah. By the way, guys, if you want me to do a everyday comfy makeup tutorial, just comment it down. Thank you. Sure. Seriously, promise. Comment lang. Sure.
I forgot the contour. So, yeah.
Our contour, I will be using this sunset. So I forgot to contour using Caroline contour stick, so yeah, so that's why it's a struggle. Sure. And for now, I am going to bake my face. Yeah. I will be adding this Everblend blush on. Yeah, matte blush on. Maybe matte blush on in shade Milkweed. And I will be using this BYS Brow Definition Kit for my brows. Since my brows are thick, I am just emphasizing it using dark shades from the palette. And I'm using my excess foundation and concealer to clean the edge of my brows, as usual, like what other beauty gurus do. Deep chalk. And now we're going to start with our eyes. But wait, I will bake again my face. So yeah, I already made my face, and I will be starting with this color. Using this Poweder shadow palette in color Paradise, and the red one is this one. Guys, we're almost done with the look, and with this, with our look for today. And I will now be applying lipstick and false eyelashes from the Dupe Cosmetics. Luxury lashes by the Dupe Cosmetics in the style Havana. So I will now end this video and see you there. Hope you like this look. Yeah, as usual, I always say likewise. And if you are new here to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share the link of my YouTube channel, and please follow me on my social media accounts: Instagram at YourCityBard, Facebook YourCityBard. And without further ado, let's end this video. Sure. Thank you so much. God bless. Merry Christmas.